Oh. How on earth are we going to get to the top of this mountain? How does anyone ever get anywhere? How? One step at a time. But why don't you fly to the top? Because I like the journey. Ah, there it is. So whose house is this? I accidentally crashed into his window once. What the flip do you want? Just kidding, let's go skiing. Right, so what you want to do is when you... Alright. Wait, why am I the only one in a sled? You just look like you suck at snowboarding. Oh. Okay, I'll give you a push. Yep, there we go. You're right up there.